Have you ever felt like the universe is holding back on giving you what you truly deserve? Wealth, freedom, abundance. What if I told you that a single ancient word could transform your financial reality, bringing prosperity into your life almost effortlessly? This word isn't magic, but its vibrational frequency could be the key to unlocking the abundance you've been seeking. Stay with me as we uncover the power of this ancient Aramaic word and how it can change your life. But before we begin, download our e-guide, Spiritual Awakening Guide, your step-by-step roadmap to understanding each stage of spiritual transformation and finding balance in your journey. The link is in the description below. Words are not just sounds, they're vibrations that shape the reality around us. Spiritual leaders and mystics have known this for centuries. Every time we speak, we send energy into the universe, energy that has the potential to influence our surroundings and even our future. But there's one word, an ancient Aramaic word, that holds a unique vibrational frequency. This word connects deeply to the universal energy of abundance. Aramaic, a language spoken during the time of Jesus, is believed to hold spiritual significance. Unlike modern languages, its words vibrate at frequencies capable of aligning us with the universe's energy. Imagine having a tool that could help you tap into this energy, a key to manifesting wealth, peace, and prosperity in your life. But before we reveal this powerful word, let's first understand why words matter so much. Think about this. Every thought, emotion, and word you express vibrates at a frequency. Positive words emit higher vibrations, attracting positive outcomes, while negative words lower your energy and create blockages. This is the foundation of the law of attraction. By speaking words aligned with abundance and prosperity, you send a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. But it's not just about any word. It's about the right word, one that carries a high-frequency vibration capable of connecting you to wealth and harmony. Ancient languages, like Aramaic, are believed to carry purer vibrations than modern ones. Words spoken in Aramaic have a way of deeply influencing not just your energy, but also the physical world around you. Now let me share the word with you. Shalom. You might recognize it as a greeting or as the word for peace, but in Aramaic, shalom means much more. It represents harmony, wholeness, and alignment with the universe. When spoken with intention, shalom becomes a vibrational tool, a way to align your energy with prosperity. It's not just a sound, it's an energetic declaration to the universe that you are ready to receive abundance. Here's why this works. The vibration of shalom is in tune with the frequency of abundance. By speaking it regularly, you align yourself with the flow of prosperity that's already present in the universe, waiting for you to claim it. Using shalom effectively isn't complicated, but it does require consistency and intention. Here's how you can start incorporating it into your daily life. 1. Morning practice. Begin your day with 5 minutes of meditation. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and softly repeat the word, Shalom. As you do, visualize wealth and opportunities flowing into your life. 2. Visualization. Anchor. During your visualization practices, use Shalom to enhance your focus. Picture your financial goals, whether it's a new home, debt freedom, or more opportunities, and repeat the word as you see these goals becoming reality. 3. Bedtime ritual. Write the word Shalom on a piece of paper and place it under your pillow. While you sleep, let its energy align with your subconscious mind, reinforcing your connection to abundance. Repetition is key. Like tuning a radio to the right frequency, the more you say Shalom, the stronger the alignment becomes. Here's the catch. It's not enough to just say the word. For Shalom to work, you need to infuse it with genuine intention and emotion. When you repeat this word, imagine already living in abundance. Feel the joy, peace, and security that comes with financial freedom. The universe responds to emotions as much as it does to words. When your heart and mind align with the vibration of Shalom, you amplify its power. This combination of intention, belief, and repetition creates the conditions for manifestation to occur. Over time, using Shalom will not only attract financial opportunities, but also transform your mindset. You'll begin to see abundance as natural and effortless, shifting from a mindset of scarcity to one of prosperity. Manifestation may not happen overnight, but with consistent practice, you'll start noticing unexpected opportunities, whether it's a financial windfall, a new job, or even a chance encounter that changes your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who need to hear this message. And don't miss out, download our e-guide, Spiritual Awakening Guide, to deepen your understanding of spiritual transformation and unlock more tools like this. The link is in the description below. Let me know in the comments how you'll use Shalom in your life, and let's create a ripple of abundance together. Until next time, keep aligning with your inner wisdom.